Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. For the stitch I'm going to show you today, I'm going to use 3 colors, but of course you can use as many colors as you want. I'm going to start with this brown color. So depending on how wide you want your project to be, you need to chain multiple of 3. For my swatch here I'm going to chain 18. Okay, I have my chains. Now let's start row 1. Start the row with 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And the row is very easy. We just simply need to make 1 single crochet in each chain. Okay, go ahead and make them, and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. Here's row 1. Now let's move on to row 2. Chain 2 and turn. Skip the first 2 stitches, this one and this one, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. And now the next stitch we have to make here in this stitch. So yarn over, go into the stitch, take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet. From here we need to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. Chain 1, and then here in the second skip stitch, go into the stitch, take the yarn from behind and make the double crochet. Then we continue with absolutely the same steps. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 double crochet in the third stitch, chain 1, and then go back into the second skipped stitch to make another double crochet. At the end you should have left 1 stitch, make 1 double crochet in there. Now row 3, we are not changing colors yet, continue with the same color, chain 1 and turn. Here we're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Start from the very first stitch here right below the chain and just go in each stitch to make 1 single crochet. When you reach only a chain, just go below the chain like this. And when you reach the end of the row, the last single crochet have to be here in this chain stitch at the very end of the row. And now for row 4 is finally time to change the color. So I'll just go ahead and attach the new yarn. Okay, like this, and then chain 2 and turn. We need again to skip the next 2 stitches, not counting this one right here, 1, 2, in the third stitch 1 double crochet. then chain 1. In the previous row we made the next double crochet here in the skip stitch, but this time we are going to make it here into this space below. So yarn over, going to the space, take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop. You can make it a little longer so it comes to the level of the row. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And there you have it, this little shape right here. Then we're moving onto the next stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the 3rd stitch, again 1 double crochet, chain 1, then just go back. Here we are working into this space here, then here, 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 you can see them. Yarn over, go into the space, take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop and make the double crochet, and then absolutely the same steps, 1 double crochet, chain 1, then go here into the next space, pull up a loop and make the next double crochet. Okay, I'll wait for you at the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, you should have left 1 stitch here. Just make 1 double crochet. Row 5 is again a row with single crochets, so chain 1, turn and just go ahead and make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and where you have only chains, just go below the chain. And the last stitch for the row should be here in this chain. And before I finish this single crochet, I'm going to change again the color. I'm going to insert the new yarn. If you're using 2 colors, you can you have to bring that color up or cut it and start with new strand. It's totally up to you, but I'm starting now with the 3rd color. We're going to chain 2 and start row 6. Row 6 is absolutely the same as row 4. After we chain 2, we have to turn and then skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, and here the double crochet will be here into this chain space right here. Like this. Then skip 1, 2 stitches, the next stitch is in the next double crochet is in the next stitch, chain 1, then make 1 double crochet here into this chain space, and then continue again with 1 double crochet in the next stitch. First skip, of course, 2 stitches, and when you reach the end, just make 1 double crochet here in the last stitch that's left, row 7, chain 1, turn again. We have a row with single crochets, So I'll just go ahead and make them. And from here the steps are the same. You need to repeat these 2 rows. Each second row you should change the colors, and this way you can continue working the stitch. Okay guys, so this is the stitch. I hope you like it. Let me know down in the comments what stitches you want to see on the channel. Do you prefer something more complex, or you like more simple stitches like this one where basically you have only 2 rows repeat? I look forward to see your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!